Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix keeps restarting in Moto G77. First of all, turn off auto restart. Open setting. Now in setting search auto restart. Now click on auto restart and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off auto restart from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on erase all data factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, photo, video, picture will be cleared from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps restarting in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.